what is your favorite thing about each other?
My favorite thing about Alexa is, this is gonna sound so basic, but how much she cares. Last night I wasn't feeling very well, but Alexa took care of me. She was there, she massaged my head, she fed me, gave me food, and I realized na sobrang grabe, sobrang thankful ako na may ganitong person in my life. Yes, even though pinagalitan niya din ako on that day. Kasi kasalanan ko din naman na lumabas pa ako kahit may sakit ako. Her actions do most of the talking. And she doesn't have to talk to show how much she appreciates a person. So yeah, thank you so much.
Ako, ano bang favorite ko sa'yo? Favorite ko po sa kanya is he's very understanding of may ugali. Like, when it comes to work, I'm very, very, very focused. I'm very meticulous. Kapag may hindi ako na-execute na tama or the way I want it to be, na-frustrate ako sa sarili ko, ganyan. So, I'm thankful that he understands the way I am sometimes, especially when it comes to work. I used to think I didn't need that. Na, okay, I'll move on. I'll be fine. On to the next. Ganun lang yung ugali ko. But then, he came and he's like that. And, kumbaga kung sa Inside Out, diba, meron si anger. Madami ako noon. So, yung anger ko, medyo napapalitan niya ng joy. Wow! So, ayun. I'm very thankful for that. Kasi feeling ko kung ibang tao yun, hindi nila ako maintindihan. Or, i-judge nila in a way na they would think the worst of me.
Yeah, and it helps din na patient din kami sa isa't isa. Madami kami na patience.
Bumalik sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Gusto kong bumalik for other reasons. My test.
May bago pa tayong makakasama.
Jen.
Alexa Ilacad.
Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear.
Alam niyo po si Katie, sobrang effortless. Yung buong family ko talagang hammered. Sobrang hulog na hulog kay Katie. Opo, parang yung mommy ko, yung mga pamangkin ko, pag nakikita kami, Katie! Ganyan na sila, I love Katie! Hindi na tita, Katie na. Or kapag lalabas po kami, si Katie ang hinahanap. Where's Katie? I wish Katie is here. Ganon! I think may magic. May gayuma po siyang pinainom sa pamilya.
Now I'm falling for you. Finally, my heart gave in and I'm
Tita, approve ka ba?
Yes.
Capital Y, yes.
I finally know how it feels. I'm falling for you. Finally, my heart gave in and I'm falling in love.
Paakit po ako ng gym, so nakatalikod ako.
Oh my God, yes.
Tapos sabi ko, bakit may umahabol sa akin? Takot ako, wala, may lalaking umahabol sa akin. Tapos ginanon pa ako, so ready na ako. Asa lang pala, tapos may dala siyang flowers. Tapos sobrang nagulat ako, parang ang tagal nag-process sa isip ko na, ba't nandito ka? Ganun, kasi sabi mo wala ka dito. So yung mga ganun po. So may slow niya.
Ikaw ang nakatabi.
Yan ang boyfriend ko.
Sa larangan, lansangan, madami kang madadaanan. Dapat diretso ang tingin, huwag kakaliwat kanan.
Alexa Ilacad and Katie Estrada ang Katie Legs! Sa biology, ano ang ibig sabihin ng letter A? Sa genetic abbreviation na DNA. A. Atom. B. Acid. C. Antigen. Katie Kaylex.
B acid.
B acid is correct. Sa math, listen, ang meaning ng abbreviation ng LCD ay list, common, a decimal, digit, Kaylex.
Denominator.
Denominator is correct. Okay. Ayon sa Philippine Statistics Authority, sa anong month ipinapanganak ang karamihan ng Pinoy babies? A. May, B. September, C. January. Kaylex.
September.
Paano mo nalaman? It's correct! Song lyrics ni John Lennon. Imagine all the people living life in blank. Kaylex.
Peace.
Peace is correct. Ang popular chat acronym na ROFL ay Rolling on the Floor, blank, Kaylex.
Laughing.
Laughing is correct. Okay. Ni Manuel Quezon, lolo ko to. My loyalty to my party ends where my loyalty to my blank begins. Kaylex.
Country.
Country is correct. Classic poetic words ni Elizabeth Barrett Browning. How do I love thee? Let me count the blank. How do I love thee? Let me count the blank. Kaylex.
Ways.
Ways is correct.
Oh my God, nasira yung shoes ko! Nasiraan pa akong sapatos!
Kasi yung tulad ko ay di pala okay. Handa naman pag ginalok na shit ni daddy.
Sana all? Gusto niyo masiraan yung sapatos? Huwag naman! Ayan.
Kaya di mo deserve ang ilawi ka lang sa ganda mong yan. I just wanna let you know na baby girl, di ka lang pa low-key. Oh yeah, baby, that's for sure. Like what I said, you're my one and only. You make feeling more